Welcome to Marchex Call Analytics, Conversation Edition, a solution that provides actionable insights for converting more calls into customers. This is the Lost Opportunities Dashboard. The Lost Opportunities Dashboard refers to the technology's ability to identify calls that are mishandled by sales agents and ties them back to a monetary impact. Let's see how. We'll start with the settings box. There are a variety of lost opportunity types, which are represented by failed calls. These lost opportunity types are available to you out of the box as automatic classifications, and they include calls in which the customer decided to hang up or abandon it because they were placed on hold, or if they were transferred, or if they got an interactive voice recording, or if the call went unanswered. If none of these out-of-the-box classifications work for you, you can enter custom lost opportunities by clicking the edit icon. This lets you set up your own rules for flagging failed calls, such as not in stock, no appointment, cancel, so on and so forth. This ultimately expands the dataset the machine learning based are trained on, which also increases the overall accuracy of the tool. Next, you'll want to configure an estimated revenue impact, so you can understand the effect of your lost opportunity calls from a dollar and cents perspective. And here's where you configure the settings for the data table featured within the dataset. With these settings intact, we're now ready to start analyzing the insights, starting with the KPIs here at the top. This is your total lost opportunity call volume, which in this case is 64. This is your failed call rate, which corresponds to your lost opportunity call volume divided by your total calls. And this is your estimated revenue impact, which we just configured in the settings. Below is a visualization of your failed call volume, which illustrates your total lost opportunity calls correlated with the lost opportunity rate. You can view your failed call types by the week, as well as by the hour, as well as look at the pie chart that splits out all your failed call types. You can print or download any one of these trend charts in a variety of formats if you'd like to share it with other stakeholders later. Scroll down further and you'll have the data table breaking out your lost opportunity calls by dimensions. In this case, the primary dimension is location, but you can choose a variety of other different dimensions as well. You can also add a secondary dimension if you would like to add a layer of analysis. Let's look at an example. In this case, I'm noticing that most of my lost opportunity calls were taking place on Thursday. I simply click here on Thursday. You notice that the filter box dynamically populates. You can also search for a specific lost opportunity call based on the variety of search parameters within that filter box. But for this example, we'll stay focused on Thursday, and then we'll click Update. As I see here, I'm noticing that the bulk of my lost opportunity calls are taking place at noon. One can surmise that the business needs to staff up currently because the noon hour is when they get a lot of orders. But because of these lost opportunity calls occurring at noon, they're losing out on a lot of potential revenue. The Lost Opportunities dashboard is fully customizable, meaning that you can adjust the table settings, populate the filter boxes needed, toggle back to the call log to listen to all calls in question according to any date range that you'd like. Gain a better understanding of where your customers are left hanging with the Lost Opportunities dashboard within Marchex Speech Analytics. For more information, visit marchex.com.